Okay, well, we had a good day of riding, and this is the very end of our riding tour.
Yeah, you gotta use the universal desert key. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to
There's 0 for 3.
hopefully I don't hit the door.
0 for 4. He broke the rock now.
Come on.
I bet you need bigger rock. Nope. I bet you need bigger rock. Nope.
Dude, that glass, I told you, door glass is strong, bro. You gotta get a corner of it.
Bigger rock.
I want it to go through.
I threw like 3 at one time.
It's because I'm hitting it in the middle.
Is that 0 for 5 or 0 for 5 now?
It's because I'm hitting it in the middle.
All right.
I don't want to hit the door frame.
God damn, dude. And he finally got his keys so he could go home.
Oh, look. This is what happens when you lock your keys in the truck. When you go riding like a banana head. Thankfully it had that light tin on there. But there's my universal key in case I ever need it again. Yeah, so we're gonna clean out my truck and then we'll get a new window and pop it in there. Okay, we got it all cleaned up. The wasn't too bad to clean up. There was a tint on there. So when this happened, I had 4 options. The guy I was riding with said I could take his truck back to the house while he waited with the bikes, but my house keys were in the truck, so that wasn't an option. And then I could ride my dirt bike home, but didn't have a house keys. Could have took an Uber home, same thing, didn't have house keys. Uber back and forth, probably 40 bucks at least each way. And then yeah, I would have took a half a day back and forth with all the baloney. And then this, I mean, it's an older truck, so it'll probably be 60 bucks for the glass I pick apart. And it'll take me an hour to take it out and put it back in. And so it's gonna take me less time and probably cost less money. And I'll just take my car tomorrow, or even if I take the truck to work. It was 80 degrees today. It was nice. I just won't leave anything important in the cab. But yeah, we got it all cleaned up. Now we can go back to the fun stuff and get this Super Duke fired up. We'll get back to that.